Hey everyone, so this was a afternoon project, if you will, a Vector SR80 Pro. This comes with all metal hardware stock. However, it only comes with one single cooling line, and they're not this diameter. So what I ended up doing was I upgraded this with a new ESC. This is a 4S boat. So it has a 120 amp ESC. It has a new motor. It's a Surpass Hobby 22 kV motor with the water jacket. It has the stock flex shaft, a 14.4 4S battery, and multiple Velcro tie downs, a 20 kilogram servo, as well as Offshore Electronics water outlets, and a transform water pickup with a Offshore Electronics CNC 4416D is the actual part number for this CNC propeller. It is a 44 millimeter 1.6 pitch with a 3/16 bore, and it is detongued. Now I had to take my hand drill and bore out that very carefully, which I would not recommend, but I did it with great success, and that's what's going on. So without further ado, I hope this dual water cooling lines and the setup I got going on here with the good receiver and my ESC settings, for the record, timing was set to 0, punch was set to the first setting, voltage cutoff on each cell was 3.2 volts. So I that's what I had set for my ESC. If you have a programmer, anyways, I hope to get some footage and see how this is.